Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone, nice to meet you all. My name is Bintang Safar Satmawan. So on this wonderful occasion, I would like to deliver Pecha Kucha presentation. And in my Pecha Kucha presentation, I want to tell about a country that is Italy. So, for the first, I want to explain the flag of Italy. This flag is founded in 1946. There's three color. The first is green, white, and red. Okay. The country image. For the population in Italy, there are 59 million, and for the area there there are 302,073 kilometer, and that area make Italy top 71 biggest area in the world. And also in this image that it can tell us the condition in Italy. So uh, here there's Italian people more choosing walk than using like a vehicle. Next is the president of Italy. He is Sergio Mattarella. Um, uh, he take the chair of president since 15 February to 2000 since February on 2015 until now. So we can say he is the oldest president on Italy. Next is the history of Italy. So on long time ago, before Italy, there is Rome Empire. So it's the biggest empire on that era, and also the richest empire and the strongest empire in that era. Then after the Rome Empire uh, down, and after that, Italy country founded. The currency and national anthem for the currency is euro, of course, because Italy include in Uni Europe. So all the country in Uni Europe using euro, of course. For the national anthem is Canto del Ligni. That's national anthem. It means in English the Italians national anthem. So the culture of Italy encompasses the knowledge, beliefs, arts, laws, and custom of the Italian peninsula and of the Italians throughout in history. So, as it says, the culture of Italy is knowledge because in Italy there's so many knowledge in there, and the arts. Yeah. If you go to Italy, you will find many like statue like this. This is old statue. It's from um, Rome Empire. You will find like this, and also art like uh, painters. There are so many. You can ask for if you want to get paint there, and the laws. In Italy, there's so many people that expert in law. So for the typical food, I choose is pizza because that also the famous food in the world. So there's a difference from in pizza, Italian pizza, and other pizza. Italian pizza is from Napoli, and also the sauce is fresh. So in Italy, they pretend to prefer to bake the bread first, and then after they bake the bread, uh, and they give sauce. If in other country, the bread baked with the sauce and the topping, but in Italy, they bake the bread first. Next is the famous tourism place, that is Colosseum, and also this is the famous tourism place in the world, because there are so many uh, historical uh, building in there, and also this Colosseum is already founded from Rome Empire. So this is the oldest building in Italy. Next is famous film. The first is Pinocchio, and the second is Luca from Disney Pixar. So the Pinocchio there are in real life and animation. Uh, the director is Roberto Benigni, and Luca film in now that animation talks about friendship, but friendship from friendship of human and sea monster. So this the sea monster, and she is the human. Next for the uh, university, that is Senia University. This university is the oldest university in the world because this university is founded from since 1204. So this university get the oldest university in the world, not just in Italy. For the famous, here there are three. For the first, this is the fashion designer. Yeah, in Italy there are so many fashion designer, and all the fashion is so unique. So Italy fashion is famous in the world. And the second is pasta. Also, this is the famous in Italy because all restaurant in Italy offer pasta, and pasta is famous in the world. And the last is, of course, the car Ferrari. This already known around the world and become supercar. Next is famous product. Here, there is Ferrari. So Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari is Enzo Ferrari. He gave his name to a car that the icon is a horse. Uh, Enzo Ferrari also a racer on his era. Next is the public transportation. Nah, in Italy, for the public transportation, This is like a train, but they call it tram. So tram is different with train. If train is fast, but tram is slow because not cross country, but this for just uh, the near places. And also, if train have many carriage, if tram has only one carriage. So next for the weathers in Italy, there are four. The first is summer, winter, spring, and autumn. I recommend when you go to Italy, I recommend to you go when summer and spring weathers. So because the view is very best and uh, so many flowers in there. Next is the typical animal and plant. So the animal there is flamingo. You can find it on the near the beach or watery area because that is an ideal habitat for flamingo. And also flamingo live by group, not not individual. Next is the plant is water lily. This is the beautiful flower that can you find in Italy. For the famous sport is football, and the highest professional league in Italy is Serie A. Next is the employment opportunities. Italy offer so many employment opportunities like in technology, fashion designer, uh, in restaurant, and in art, and so many. There's so many work in there if you want to apply. Next is the interesting in there. Like I said before, there are so many statue in there, old statue that is from uh, Rome Empire, and also there are so many painters in here. So the famous actor is Roberto Benigni. He get the awards nomination of the film. Uh, I forgot the film that. So he got the so many awards in there. He got nomination, and he is the director of Pinocchio animation and film. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much for your attention. Bila saya, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.